Hello and welcome back to my channel, Headlight&Fairing Motors. My channel is about to save as much as money we can for you and myself. Make sure we don't spend silly money on the silly things what we can do indoors and cost you nothing. It's just your job, and also you're going to gain some experience as well. And you're going to be happy to finish your bike yourself because you know what's done, what's not. So yeah, this video is going to be front fairing removal. I don't think it's going to be easy because as you see up there, I got so many videos about all these fairing removals, the tank, rear, side, seats. Oh Jesus, this bike is a little bit complicated, to be honest. I see the easiest bikes, but it still looks good, and we're going to crack on with the front one. Bear in mind, I never done myself, and this is completely different to another bike, so not completely different, but a lot of things are different on this bike, unfortunately. And yeah, so let's crack on with these things, and hopefully I'm going to show you step by step how to remove the front fairing. As usual, we remove the mirrors because the mirror is going to hold your fairing, and see from there then. Removed these two. The front is already moving slowly, but now what we're gonna do, there is a clips inside this bike. It's actually mostly on the clips. It's not gonna be easy, don't worry. I'm not gonna break it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this, all this, not this one in here, it's just this side in here. So let's try to pull. So there we go. This is how it comes off, just like that, and it goes on here. I mean, I will try not to break it, but unfortunately some of these things not been designed well, but it comes off nice and easy. So this is one side fairing. We do exactly the same with another side as well, just like that, nice and easy. As you see, the bolt in here, so this is how we come off. Look, all front headlight is just coming off with not a problem. So we undo this side in here, the 10mm socket, and the whole headlight will come off with not a problem. Yeah. So there is a clip, just like that, and it comes off. There's two wirings. Show you in a second. So that's how you remove the front headlight. It was easier than I actually think, so we can see what's inside and what we can remove and what's not. So basically, as you see, it wasn't too bad as I think, because the side fairings is much harder to remove it. These are two pieces, just the two fairings each side, and the front completely come off. That's what we got left of the bike, and yeah, then we finished this video. The target was to remove the fairing front one, which we did already. So the next videos will come up very soon, and if you like it, actually subscribe and smash that like button to my channel if you find it helpful for yourself, and there are more videos coming up.